In a world where every city tells a story, three unique communities weave a tapestry of culture, art, and unity. Welcome to a journey through spaces where diversity blooms and every soul contributes to the symphony of life. Stories unfold in every corner of these cities, with each neighborhood telling its own tale. Here, every street, every face, and every note plays a part in the grand symphony of community. This place is a canvas. Its residents are artists, painting a picture of unity in diversity. Welcome to the district, where there's harmony in diversity.